Okay, we've played. Uh-oh. Okay, now. You're sitting on Billy. Billy! I'm so sorry. She's on the phone. Oh my god. Okay. Wee! Wait. You've been doing it better. I know. Wait, I can't stop laughing. Wee. No, I can't start. Wee. There we go. Wee. Wee-oh. Moo. I can't. No. Wee. No. Wait. Moo. Tweet. Boing. So, Mr. Johnson, for the what is the learning center? So, I'm Mr. Johnson. Oh, do you have your glasses? Oh, I need your glasses. Yeah, give me my glasses. Oh, the glasses! Oh, Casino Johnson is here. Okay. So, me, Mr. Johnson says, I decided that we're gonna have a learning center here at school, and even though I'm a Grandma Gizmo ferret boy, that's okay, because it's all okay for us to learn. One big giant community. That's right. Helping one person at a time. The giant learning community. Right, Wilbur? Right. Will you take me to bingo, Wilbur? Yes. Let's go to bingo. I knew you only married me for my money, Wilbur. That's right. Oh God, don't even go there. Moo. Honk. Wee. Boing. I heart dib, woohoo. I did that. I was like, I heart dib. I'm all over the place. Okay. I heart dib. Oh, thanks. Wow. That worked. I'm gonna think of more animals. Oh, we gotta do an Invader Zim laugh. Do one with me, Trisha. Do an Invader Zim laugh. I can't do it. I don't know how to do it. Billy, will you Invader Zim laugh with me?
You want me to?
Yeah.
I don't know how to do it.
Okay, fine. Trisha, practice with me. Okay. I'm sorry, I can't do that. Talk him some roast back a little off. Put the tongue on top of your mouth. Put the tongue on top of your mouth and talk like it. I'm trying. Spit it out! I'm trying. Oh God, here. Hit your drool. I didn't drool. It was on the bow. Oh. The bow hit my... Ah! The drooling madness! No, the germs! The germs! You're meant to eat the germs. Moo! No.
I'm counting these.
Trisha, stop doing some weird hooker move to me now. This is, oh my God. I'm sorry, get this out of control.